My name is Diederik Kemmerling. I'm the co-organizer of a business seminar E-Curacao. I'm very excited to announce that we have 5 speakers, 3 international speakers and 2 local speakers. The main speaker that we will have is Mary Rodriguez. It's a short lady, but very powerful and a very big name in the United States. She is the storyteller of Microsoft, so she will be our main speaker. Our second speaker is Martin de Boer. He's commercial director of Europarks and previous ko-organisadó. He helped ko-organisadó build up and set up here the hotel in Curacao. The third speaker we have is Brian Carter. He's from the US as well, a digital marketing guru, best-selling author. He did marketing for the US Army, for McDonald's, NBC, very big name as well. And the last but not least, 2 final speakers are local speakers, which is Diederik Kemmerling and O'Malley from the Lab in Curacao, digital marketing agency, which will elaborate more about local learnings, how is digital and social media doing in Curacao, how many people are on Facebook and on LinkedIn, what are the local learnings, so what is working and what's not working. I think anyone who is like in a management, marketing, finance, sales, commerce position, even startups, it's a very interesting event. You will get a lot of practical tips and a lot of practical information which can help you to get more sales and get more clients for your companies. I'm going to pass the floor to Kurt, which would elaborate a bit further about Guardian and the participation of Guardian in the E-Curacao Business Seminar. Thank you.